Liz Mayer here from Pulaski High School, coming up with some ideas for tailgating and trying to prepare foods with kids. We are going to be making something that's super easy today that you only need 3 ingredients to really get the party started. And that's going to be little smokies.
Good.
Bacon.
Good.
And brown sugar.
Good.
First step is to cut your bacon in 2/3. So we're just going to make 2 slices down. All you need to do is take your little smoky, wrap it up in bacon, take a toothpick, throw it in. Look at the technique by a 12-year-old. Last step before baking is just to have some brown sugar, and we're going to coat each of these little guys in the brown sugar and place them in a sprayed pan. You can bake these either in the oven, or if you're tailgating, you can put these in a pan on the grill.
Cheers.